everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at a 2021 Kia K5 in the LX trim. Just over 71,000 miles, this Kia K5 is equipped with a 1.6 liter turbocharged engine. It is front wheel drive, does have one minor on the CARFAX with one previous owner. In the front, you will find this aggressive styling here in the front grille with high intensity headlights, LED daytime running lights. And making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a 15-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black on black theme here with nice elements such as leather and some stitching here. You also have some brushed aluminum and other accents, and as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this Kia K5. Once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these premium cloth seats. Located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here we can see all the tires are 7/30 seconds in the front and 9/30 seconds in the rear, and the brake pads are good to go. And guys, we take care of all the wearables, so you don't have to shortly after purchasing the vehicle. Looking into the back seat, plenty of space for your rear passengers. Simple setup here. Again, LX trim, carpeted floor mats, pockets on the back of the seats. Making our way to the rear of this Kia K5, you will notice your high definition rear camera. Surrounding that will be your elongated tail light here. And you do actually have a little bit of a rear bumper applique. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk. I'm going to access that on my key fob here. Nice trunk release here, goes right up. Looks like that seat will fold down if you do need extra cargo space. But plenty of space back here for this smaller sedan. Making our way to the driver door, you will notice some power options such as power windows, door locks, and mirror adjustments. And then to the left of the steering wheel, you'll have your trunk release button, lane keep assist, brightness and dimming controls for your interior and cluster lighting, and traction control on and off. Upon startup, you can see just over 71,000 miles. And as far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, to the left you'll have some audio selections as far as mode and media, and you can pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. To the right you will have some cruise control options with some steering assist. And bringing our attention to our infotainment system and center display, as you can see, nice touch screen here. As far as audio is concerned, you'll have your standard AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth connectivity. You'll have some hard buttons for the radio here. Let me go ahead and engage the rear camera. As you can see, nice clear display with your guidance lines. Then down below you have some simple climate controls followed up with a little bit of storage, USB and 12-volt outlets. Of course, you have your nice wrap shifter here with your manual shift mode, 2 cup holders, and you will also have auto start and stop, auto hold for those long brake or those long stop lights, electronic parking brake, and selectable driving modes. Again, 1.6 liter turbocharged engine, so nice little exciting car. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood at that 1.6. Under the hood, you will have a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, super clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew always does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And guys, along with that multi-point inspection report, this Kia K5 has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. Now, if you stuck with me this long in this video, you might just be interested in this vehicle. So this portion is for you. This is where we're going to go over the imperfections here. The hood is beat. You will see spot after spot after spot. We could not remove, so it is what it is. In the front, you'll have some minor wear and tear here, and just some wear and tear from the road here in the front, so not perfect. Did want to mention your headlights are nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation, along with your wheels, no curb rash on those wheels. Mirror cap is pretty clean. You'll have some spots there. On your outer door trim pieces, you will notice they're very clean, no discoloration or staining. Along with your passenger side door card, pretty clean all the way in. All your trim pieces around your dash are in good shape. Now, I did want to mention, if you take a look at the cloth seats, you are going to have some discoloration. Headliner is nice and clean, and no odors, no smoke odors. Super important here at All Things Automotive. We try our best to not buy smoked vehicles, but sometimes it does happen. And as you can see here in the rear, you're going to have more discoloration there, but nice clean carpets, guys. This is going to be a perfect first car or a commuter car. Tail lights are nice. Sorry about slamming that door. Tail lights are nice and clean all the way over. No cracks, no condensation. I see a small blemish right there just below the trunk lid. Even your rear bumper applique, no wearing. no curb rash on that wheel, and no dents or dings to the vehicle body. Guys, if you have any more questions on this Kia K5, give us a call at All Things Automotive. How about it? 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can just hop online at allthingsautomotive.com. And of course, you can shop online 24/7. And yes, you can get yourself pre-approved on a vehicle like this right from home. It's a super easy process. It only takes about 10 minutes of your time. So we hope to see you guys at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.